everybody. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fold an origami caterpillar. So you're going to start with one square piece of origami paper. You're going to fold it in half, corner to corner, matching up the corners as close as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect, just as close as you can. And unfold. You're going to fold the top corner just a little bit past that crease, trying to make it symmetrical on both sides, like that. Now you're going to take the bottom corner and do the same. You want it to be about the same distance from the crease as the top corner. Once again, try to make it as symmetrical as possible, just like that. Now you're going to fold the two side corners to the center crease. Both of the corners, just like that. And then flip your model over and fold one corner behind just the tip a little bit. That'll form the head. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to flip your model back over this way and fold the head down. Flip your model over, push the head out, and fold it over just a little bit to create a little wrinkle. You're going to do that about 4 times to finish up your caterpillar. Okay, so now once you have that, you're going to keep all those creases folded and fold your model in half. Just like that. And now you can add eyes and a smile, and there you go. Your origami caterpillar is now finished. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you might want to check out some of my other origami videos, or go to paperfoldingfun.com for printable PDFs and tutorials for all kinds of cool origami models. So I'll see you in upcoming videos. Bye!